All right, Z4 Font, this video is for you, man. I think I may know the issue. I don't know. We're gonna go ahead and go through it. You let me know in the comments and we'll go from there, okay? Okay, right now I got the keys in. Let me know, is that the beeping noise that you hear? Because I'm wondering if you got a bad door switch. Yeah, maybe it's stuck in the sense of being open. And you have to pull this panel back here and access it. If I could get it, I don't want to break my stuff, but I think it just clips in. Yeah, you know, come out. But that may be something you may want to try. Maybe hit this switch a couple times and see if it makes it stop, because it may be stuck open even though you think it's closing, you know. Or maybe you're missing this piece here or something. I don't know, because it looks like that's where, yeah, it hits on, is actually this plastic piece right there. So that may fix your issue of the beeping noise, you know. So take a look at that, let me know. As far as the other issue, hold on one sec. Okay, I remember what the second thing was now. As far as the turn signals is not working, I realized since I don't have my hazard button, the little red button that's in the center that turns your hazards on, my turn signals don't work either, because I could turn it on, if you don't mind the beeping noise. And if I turn on the car, my turn signals do not work either, because my hazard switch is not plugged in. So take a look at your hazard switch. I'll take a video of that real quick. Yeah, I'm talking about this hazard switch right here may not be plugged in or may not be working. That could cause your turn signal not to work. So let me know in the comments if that helps you out, okay? Thanks.